Bunny Town, you saved 1,000 carats. Now, where are you gonna put them? This decides everything.
Option 1, under the mattress. Old school. You can see them. But is that smart?
Fast forward, 1 year later. Same number, but worth way less. Why? One word, inflation. Same carats, less buying power. Mattress doesn't protect you. Welcome back. Option 2, the vault. Safe, insured, but slow. Most vaults give you 1% per year. Inflation eats more than you earn. You still lose. Now, option 3, high yield vault. Same safety, 4 to 5 times the growth. This beats inflation.
Remember the chicken coop from EP07? That's Bones. Reliable, steady, 3 to 5% every year.
And the big one, investment accounts. Carrot trees grow more, but risk too. We'll cover that next. Same 1,000 carats, 1 year. Different places, huge difference. Saving rule number 4, don't let your carrots, Saiti, make them work for you. Most bunnies save right, then put carrots in the wrong place. They blame the economy. Truth, they never moved their carrots. 3 steps to start today. 1, open high yield savings. 2, emergency fund. 3, explore investments. Saving 1,000 is hard, I get it. But losing it to inflation while you watch, that's the real crime. That's it, the 4 saving rules. You got the playbook. Use it.
Next series, we level up. Investment rule hat 1, don't put all carrots in one hole. We'll show you why.
Time is your biggest asset. Use it wisely. Watch the rates. Plan ahead. Money is a vibe. Stay smart. Stay fluffy.